Power BI. So I already downloaded my data set and it's in my download. So I have this Sean data set here. I'm going to be renaming it. So because that's not what I want, I'm going to be saying PWC customer sharing data sets. Okay, I think that's good. So go to my Power BI interface and go to import data from Excel, or you can go to get data here and click on Excel workbook, or you can click directly on this Excel workbook to connect to your Excel sheet. So I'm going to use this, then it's directly on here on my file interface. You can just go to download as well and just you'll see it here. So if your data is in documents or pictures or anywhere, just navigate on your computer and click on open file. So we're going to be doing two things. You're going to be seeing this metadata interface. So it's going to be showing you what you have in your data set. So I'm going to be clicking on it, on these check marks. Then I'm going to be seeing all my data. So this are my data. This is what it looks like. You can scroll to the left, right, and see what you have. So what I'm going to be doing is transform the data. So I want to see if I have some data I actually want to transform. I want to see if I have some null value here, doing some data cleaning. So if you load the data, it will load directly to Power BI desktop, but if you go to transform data, it's going to go to your Power Query for cleaning and for transformation. ETL means extract, which we already did by extracting our data from Excel file. Transformation, which is done in Power Query in Power BI and can be done as well in Excel. Today we are using Power BI, so you can clean your data, you can create custom columns, you can remove, you can delete, you can append, you can merge data here. So this is what we have right now. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this moment. In our next video, we'll be talking about transformation in Power Query. I've already done that in Excel Power Query, but in this we'll be looking at data transformation, or we'll be importing data from other sources like folder or SQL. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll see you next time. Bye. Have a lovely week and